seared it with its own fat and added a little bit of salt. It's literally like butter and you don't need anything else. Looks so yummy. And now I'm just adding some rice, the slices of Wagyu right on top of the rice. This is definitely the bougiest bento box I've made. I'm topping it off with acrylic and flaky salt. I made blackberry, raspberry, and blueberry tanghulu and added those on sparkler food picks. And now for the note, I'm writing, Happy New Year. Your next chapter is going to be amazing. Happy birthday. Sweet. Let's make some lunch for my kids. Today...
One of your TikToks is gonna go viral after watching this video. If you don't believe me, there's no caption
I've
or
seen
hashtag.
this.
So
this is a good one.
Meant for you. To lock it in, all you have to do is follow me if you don't already. Like this video so people see it. Share it if you can, and if not, share copy link and drop a comment. One of your TikToks is gonna go viral after.
This is one of my favorite weekend recipes, or if you have a day off and you have extra time in the morning, this is well worth it. One of my favorite restaurants in the city was this tiny hole-in-the-wall called Arts Cafe, and I used to make this thing called a hash brown sandwich. Unfortunately, they closed last year due to retirement, not to COVID, thankfully, but I never did get to ask Art how he made his hash browns so thin and crispy.
That's very cool.
Through lots of trial and error, I found that frozen potatoes work best, and lots of patience watching them cook and shaping them.
That's really pretty.
Shaping them and patting them down and checking for that perfect crisp.
Beautiful presentation. I like that.
Potatoes should move as a full unit before being able to flip. While I will miss Art's Cafe dearly, and this isn't going to be exactly the same as how he was able to make it, this is my best rendition of a hash brown sandwich. I hope you guys enjoy. This is one of my...
Oh, I had that happen before. Yeah,
nice.
I got big boobs. I know that feeling. Sorry, I had to watch it again. That looks really good. Nice Cajun fried chicken. Oh, that looks really good. Go, boy. Wish I could fry chicken like that. Oh, I've seen this where they fold it in 4 stacks. This is cool. Look at that. That's cute.
Let's see how I do 9 months pregnant.
Oh.
Let's see how I'm not gonna lie. I think something wrong with my eyes. You said what? Something wrong with my eyes. I can't take them off. I'm not gonna lie. I had so many cute outfits planned for this year that I couldn't wear. So I just wanted to show you. See this? I love it. I couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. And then this. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. And this was about to be my cute costume, but no. I had so many cute outfits planned for this.
How to make a shrimp avocado sandwich.
That looks really, really good. I don't really like shrimp on bread, though.
Add our shrimp into our bowl. Avocado, celery, onions, salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. And about 2 tablespoons of mayo. Lastly, some lemon juice. Give it a good mix. Let's stuff our sandwich. How to make a shrimp avocado sandwich.
Really easy.
Say it with me now.
I guess so.
Sign up for a free trial of something and then forget to cancel it?
Yep.
Wow. Truebill just told me that Netflix is...
I don't know. I'm sorry. Trying to use the oven. Aw. Oh my god. Oh.
You have to be kidding me. Stop it. Seriously? What an idiot. Really?
Looks good. Oops. I'm scared of those. They're cute though. Oh my gosh. They're cute though. They're just scary when they get big.
Okay,
What?
let's see if this works for me.
Let's see.
Okay, you know what?
Ah, damn. What is this? Kinetic. Look at that. That's different.
I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty.
Cooking 20-minute dinner for 21 days. 1.5 cups of these little potatoes. Cut the potato in half. Insert 4 cloves of garlic. 1 cup of water. Soy sauce. Honey. Mix together and set it aside. Fry the potato for 3 to 4 minutes. Add in the minced garlic. Saute together for 1 to 2 minutes. Add your sausage tray. Every piece of potato is soaked in the sauce. After 7 to 8 minutes, you can see that the potato is now soft, and then the sauce is turning out into a nice glaze. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Mix together. Look at that.
That's a cool vegetarian meal.
20-minute dinner for 21
Yeah.
days.
What's cheese?
You're watching Chef Club. Follow our account for more ideas.
Let's see what they're making here. Whoa. Oh, you need a waffle fry. I think. Well, I'm gonna put cheese on it. Oh, it's different.
This is how you make auntie version of Cheddar Bay biscuit.
Ma, you gonna get sued.
Period. You're gonna need 2 cups of half and half, 2.5 sticks of butter, 4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of fresh parsley chopped, and 3 cups of medium cheddar cheese. Let go! Add all your dry ingredients to a bowl and mix. Now add your cheese and mix. Melt 2 sticks of butter and pour in your half and half. And mix. Pour your butter and half mixture over your dry mixture and mix. Your mixture look like this. Melt some butter, add some parsley, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now put about 1/4 cup mounds on a baking pan and bake for 10 to 12 minutes on 450. Now go ahead and brush that butter mixture over. Lord have mercy, Jesus is my shepherd and he know what I want.
Did you bite the biscuit already?
And enjoy.
All right.
I'm going to show you how to make the best homemade carne asada fries. Wash your potatoes really well. Peel. It's cut like this. Add to cold water for 5 minutes. Now let's take them out and lay them out in a sheet tray. I'm going to need Bounty to pat dry. Look how much it absorbed with just one sheet. Now let's blanch fry. Now let's fry for 20 seconds. Now let's drain that excess oil onto the Bounty paper towel. Remove the towel and look at all that oil. Sprinkle some cornstarch. Gently mix it. Freeze for 30 minutes. Now let's cook the carne asada. Cut your meat. Immediately out of the freezer, fry for 5 minutes. Season. Cheese. Add the meat. Guacamole. Crema. Beautiful! I challenge you to make a dish with #BountyReacts so a chef can do edit. I'm going to show you.
You hungry? Let's make a snack.
Oh, you're talking about you make food, man.
Cornbread, little pinch of dried thyme, poultry seasoning, garlic powder, and a pinch of kosher salt. To bind the whole thing together, mascarpone cheese. Give it a good mix to combine. Another bowl, garlic powder, onion powder, complete seasoning, smoked paprika, couple of turns of black pepper. Mix that together, and then sprinkle that all over your chicken breast.
Wow.
Stuff it inside. Close the ends together with toothpicks. Dredge in flour. Shake off the excess right into the hot oil. Remove from the oil and drain on paper towel. Add your favorite hot sauce. Now, all you got to do is bow your head and say grace.
Grace.
You hungry?
Okay, friends, let's make some air-fried fish. First, you're going to want to chop up the fish, give it a little rinsey rinse with some water and lemon. Pat each piece dry, tap, tap, tap. After that, get all your seasonings, give it a good mixy mix. We need that flavor. Turn on your air fryer to about whatever temperature that is. Pop the fish in, boom, 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 and voila. Crispy and delicious. You're welcome.
That's pretty cool. Different.
Nashville hot chicken burgers. These were the best thing I've eaten in my life. They were so good. So this is about 2 cups of buttermilk, some paprika in there, some lemon pepper seasoning, kosher salt, black pepper, and about 1/4 of a cup of hot sauce. I'm going to let that chicken marinate in there for at least 30 minutes, and then we're going to make our breading. So this is some all-purpose flour, and this is the seasonings that I use. I'll probably just put it on the screen. And I'm going to double bread my chicken to make it extra nice and crispy. I'm going to fry this in some oil for about 5 minutes on each side until they're golden brown, and I'm going to drain on a paper towel. Now to make our sauce, we're going to combine about 3 tablespoons or 1/4 of a cup of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a teaspoon of paprika, and 2 teaspoons of garlic. So this is the oil that we use to fry the chicken, just help it binds everything together. I'm going to put on the chicken, some toasted brioche buns, brioche. I'm going to brush on there, add some pickles, and that's it. It is so good. Try it out.
Cool.
Nashville hot chicken burgers. These were the best. Hey, Pudgy, let me get it.
Hey, Joe. Mexico check.
Look at all those wines. What are they making? Oh my god. Somebody's got a really big hangover. Wow.
Hey, Joe.
Also, I feel like I need to remind people, don't tell me what to fucking do, bitch.
Oh my god, scared of that one.
Hey, kid.
That's just my baby dog.
Ooh.
I think I'm losing my mind. Trying to stay inside the lines. It's like y'all running in place. How you keep staying the same.
That looked pretty good. A little different.
Story time.
Ooh.
Alright, so boom. First you need a stick of butter. Then you add some garlic. You let it simmer, whisk it up. Ting ting. Then you add some flour, thick like Megan. Okay, you don't see me stop. That's because I poured it before I pressed play. But y'all get the point. Now you add some garlic powder, salt rocks, pepper, paprika, and onion powder. Then you add your broccoli. Then you add some more stalks. Steal some carrots from bugs. Sprinkle in a little taters. Now you tuck that thing in. There you go. Tuck it in. Read a bedtime story now. Don't you forget. Now you turn it down just a little. Now, I really only added this so y'all can see that I grated my own cheese. So, yeah, you just add some cheddar cheese. Oops, missed the spot. Splash. Let's get milky. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's kind of cool.
Why is it sparkling? Good food.
Looks good.
All right, so boom. First, you need a stick of butter.
I'm getting a
Then
little
you add
tired
some
of
garlic,
watching
you let
TikTok
it simmer,
tonight.
whisk it up.
Nobody's gonna.
Unless we just gotta do one more. I'll find another food one.
Thanks for making crab cakes. Crab dab. Start by boiling your water, then throw in your hand and steam for 5 minutes. Sorry, Mr. Krabs. Crack open all the legs. Hey, yo, is that a sea glizzy? Shred up the crab meat. It should be nice and stringy. In a large bowl, add in mayo, mustard, Old Bay, Worcestershire sauce, an egg, salt, cayenne pepper, and crush those saltine crackers. Stir until creamy, then add in the crab meat. And mix that, John. Shape into crab cakes and cover with breadcrumbs. Fry in butter for 3 minutes, then flip. Fry for another 3 minutes. Serve with mustard aioli. Fancy technique, Linda.
Shooter outside. Active shooter.
Oh my god.